This how to 1 minute will show you how to change website link picture on Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on online store. And here select preferences. Now scroll down and here you will get this social sharing image. When you share a link to your store on social media and an image is usually shown in your post, this one will be used if another relevant image can't be found. So all you have to do is just click on add image and now select your image, and now you can add your image page title here. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.